After you've made sure that you have a clear path to your front door, there's other things you can do to make trick-or-treaters feel even more welcome. The first thing is exterior decorations. It's sort of a double bonus, not only to have a well-kept yard where it's very clear how to get to your front door, but also to have various Halloween decorations out in that yard. The most obvious one here, of course, is you having a pumpkin, but you can also have